Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a stocks chart, but a crypto stocks chart. The MicroStrategy chart, it's a very popular one, it's very volatile. It often moves with crypto, not exactly, but sort of in the same direction very frequently, not necessarily always in the same wave degree. But we have a lot of volatility, especially in recent weeks, especially after Bitcoin's rally that happened in the last 4 weeks. So we want to take a look at the updated chart today. Let's go. Okay, we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. Today we want to cover a tech stock, so we go into our tech stock section. If you're interested in additional updates like these for crypto stocks, but also cryptocurrencies, other stocks, and so much more, check out the link in the description. It takes you to our website. You can register for free. But looking at the MicroStrategy chart, let's click on the daily time frame first. Yeah, what you can see on this chart is that we are likely still moving up here in this 5-wave pattern to the upside on the long-term chart. So long term, we still see the market move towards $700 plus in this 5-wave upside impulse that we're tracking. The risk is that a larger degree top, like in a wave B, has already formed end of last year. But that would be an alternative scenario, not the preferred interpretation at this point. And until we see further evidence, like for example, a break below the 2025 low, this is not preferred. Yeah, probabilities might then increase if we get a break below that level, specifically as well if we get a break below $153.49 as well. But that would, that would confirm it. But for now, this is again not the expectation. We see that only with a 32% likelihood that the market comes down and forms a broader wave 2, which would still not be bearish. I mean, short, medium term it would be, but long term we would still see it as a overall bullish structure on the long term chart. But it could significantly extend the correction that presumably finished early in 2024 here in this wave 2, magenta wave Y of 2. The rally again should be a third wave that's unfolding right now, so there is still some scope for further upside. Let's also take a look at the shorter time frame because it gives us a much better idea of what's actually going on. This is the shorter time frame chart. So the move to the upside is based on this interpretation seen as a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup. What does that mean? It means that the market bottomed here likely in magenta wave 2 in summer last year, and then this was another rally, an impulsive rally that we're labeling wave 1. We have a correction that based on what we see right now should be still unfolding, and we could be dealing with an ABC structure. Again, it's just a corrective pullback after that rally into the 2024 highs. Okay, so the first move down here that ended kind of in March, I think it was, that's labeled wave A of 2, and then this could now be a B wave rally. Why do we not see that already as the third wave? It has to do with the sub-wave structures in here, because the move to the upside is choppy and overlapping, and therefore it kind of makes sense to at least be on the side of caution here and to understand that the rally that's happening at the moment that started in March, or I mean there was another rally that started in April, 7th of April, that this is just seen as a B wave. These double bottom structures are not very reliable, that's true. So therefore it could easily be a B wave rally, and just be aware that from where we are now, we could easily get a C wave down. Would it be bearish? No, I mean, we might just go slightly below the A wave low, form a very clear ABC structure to the downside before the market then starts the third wave rally that should medium term take the price above $671.32. There is of course a chance it rallies more directly, right? But at the moment we only assign a probability of 33% to this scenario that we basically rally directly. This is not clearly preferred at this point. Therefore, I think sort of in the next few weeks we should see a decision there. Probably a reversal to the downside would be my own opinion here. And if we then see a very clear ABC structure and maybe even that C wave down, there might even be a case to add a trading area to the chart, which we haven't done yet because at the moment we are moving up probably just in a B wave. Yeah. So that's just something to watch. Overall, medium term still very bullish outlook. In the short term, there could be a bit of a pullback that might even last a few weeks. So we'll keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website. You can do it completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. Also, don't forget to let me know which other cryptocurrencies or crypto charts, crypto stocks you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.